Hey guys, welcome back. We are in Kolar today and this place is called as Avani Bhatta and this is known as the birthplace of love and kush. There's a temple and lakes as well. So I'll show you how it is, and this is around 60 kilometers from my place, from Bangalore. It's in Kolar. So from Bangalore you need to go towards Hoskote. The highway roads are very good in condition, and on the way you'll get 2 tolls and you'll have to pay rupees 175 for one way. The route is really scenic with many lakes on both the sides. Also you'll find many good restaurants on the way. So once you reach there, you will see a beautiful lake with nice landscape, and there is temple also. It's a beautiful place for day outing as it's just 60 to 70 kilometers away from Bangalore, or you can go for picnic also with your family and friends, and moreover you will enjoy the route. It's really scenic and the roads are in good condition with beautiful landscape. Now this is the main temple. This is the entrance and there are multiple small temples inside. So this place is known as the birthplace of love and kush. You can see beautiful architecture or the carvings on the stone of the temple. So basically there are 2 temples. One is there next to the lake and one is there on the top of the hill. Now if you wish to visit other temple, you need to start trekking from here. You can trek and reach the top of the hill to visit the other temple. Also you'll enjoy beautiful views all the way trekking. I would recommend do not visit this place during monsoon if you're planning to go for trekking also, as it can get slippery. However, there are steps also and anybody can easily climb up, and it's not very steep, so it's easy to climb up or easy to trek. It's a nice trekking and beautiful view out there. Many lakes. So it's a lovely trek after the temple. You'll actually enjoy the trekking part. It's not so high, however you can go. Let me show you till where. Till that temple. So that's all for today. It was a quick trip, just 60 kilometers far from Bangalore. It took us around 2 hours. And there are many restaurants on the way, so while going back you can have nice lunch there. And one suggestion or one tip I would give, like if you're planning to come to this place, try to start early in the morning, let's say about 5 o'clock, around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, so that Once you reach here, it's not very sunny or harsh, so that you can actually climb up, you can trek without having much difficulty. So that's all for today, and next week for New Year celebrations we are going to Sikkim, so I will come up with Sikkim vlogs soon. See you.